Up guys, I'm gonna show you the monkey of Sikkim. Hello monkey. You see? That monkey is threatening me. Monkey. Uh, when monkeys and animals try to threaten you, don't ever make a mistake of running, because if you run, they're gonna chase you and take advantage. There's a baby monkey playing in its own, you know. And over there also, this is the area of monkeys. So they don't do much of harm. So this is our ancestors, the closest uh, thing to a human being. So in India we respect monkey. In India there's a god of monkey also called Hanuman. So just for that I was shooting this video, because I love nature and its products. The monkey is grooming the baby. Wow, so caring, so caring community of monkeys. Very mischievous monkeys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.